Hey developers, Swiggy is hiring for the Associate Software Development Engineer role for the Bangalore location, and it is hybrid. Means 2 to 3 days of work from office and other 2-3 days work from home. This job is required 1 to 2 years of experience. And talking about the qualifications, bachelor degree in computer science, engineering or related field required. Strong understanding of Android development programming language like Kotlin and Android SDK. Knowledge of object-oriented programming and design principles. Excellent problem-solving and debugging skills. Ability to work effectively in a collaborative team environment. And strong communication skills. And talking about the key responsibilities like develop and maintain high quality Android application using Kotlin and assist in designing, implement, testing new features and improvement to the Swiggy Android app. So it is about the Android application development software developer job where you using Kotlin for the development, and these are the key responsibilities. Talking about the hiring process, first apply, then written or technical round, then personal round, then HR round, and the final review round for discussion. So these are the hiring process rounds 1, 2, 3, and the last short discussion 4th round. Now move to the second hiring by the resume for the associate engineer software engineer role, and the job location is Bangalore. Talking about the required qualification, bachelor or master degree in computer science or related field, and 0 to 3 years of experience in software development. Means if you are pass out in 2022, 23, 24 and 2025, you can apply for this job. Proficiency in Java and Spring Boot, understanding of REST API development and web application architecture, familiarity with version control system Git. And here is the preferred skills: React, HTML, CSS, AWS, Docker, Kubernetes, EKS, ECS, means containerization technologies, Terraform for infrastructure as a code, experience with RDBMS and NoSQL database, experience with Kubernetes for orchestration and deployment, familiarity with agile methodologies and DevOps practices. Means this resume hiring is about the software development with Java. Here are the key responsibilities like collaborate on front-end development using React, TypeScript, JavaScript. If you have knowledge on these technologies, it is a plus point. CI/CD knowledge, RESTful APIs, and microservices. Now move to the third hiring by the Thomson Reuters for the process associate, tax or accounting. This hiring required 1 to 3 years of experience, and the job location is Hyderabad. Talking about the basic qualifications, a strong understanding of key tax concepts, practices, and procedures, good communication, interpersonal skills, and knowledge of accounting and tax. Means if you have a degree around that, you can apply here. Freshers also apply. Here is the key responsibilities, so you can apply for this job. Now talk about the last hiring, fourth one by the Calyx for the graduate trainee cybersecurity role, and the job location in Bangalore. No prior experience required. Talking about the basic qualifications, graduated or pursuing final year of bachelor's or master degree 2024 or 25 in CS, IT, networking or cybersecurity can apply for this role. Strong understanding of computer networking, TCP/IP protocol, OSI model, intrusion detection systems, familiarity with cyber threat intelligence, metric attack and common malware delivery methods, knowledge of Python programming language, ability to automate analysis or write small utilities, Linux and Windows operating system knowledge, familiarity with tools like Wireshark, Suricata is not, TCP dump at extra is a plus point. Experience or coursework in network security, packet analysis, or cyber security. So these are the requirements for this role, and here are the responsibilities. You can read more about it and apply. So in this video, all job links below in the description, and hit a like button, do comment and subscribe Skiller for more job tips.